What's up guys, I'm Josh with Colorado Off-Road Engineering. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install upper control arms and new coilovers on a 3rd gen Tacoma. As always, I'm going to show you guys all the steps to do this in less than 2 minutes. Let's do it! Here is what we will need. Impact driver, tire iron, my lug nut key, bungee cord, flathead screwdriver, torque wrench, dog toy. I use this long screwdriver as a punch essentially, so something of that sort would be nice. Used a hammer. I have my ratchets, 10 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 16 and 19 millimeter sockets. I used a 14 millimeter open end wrench and a 19 millimeter open end wrench, as well as channel locks. Then you can't forget 2 jack stands and a floor jack. Make sure your e-brake is on. Untorque all the lug nuts. Jack up the truck. Place jack stands. Take passenger side wheel off. Your sway bar, it will be connected right here. To take that off, you're going to take a 17 millimeter socket. Separate the upper control arm from the spindle. Just use your dog's chew toy. Take this cotter pin. We're going to use a 19 millimeter socket to break this nut free. Leave this nut on the bottom of the threads, and we're going to hit the spindle here to break this free. Before you take your nut all the way off, take this brake bracket off using a 10 millimeter socket. Take this nut all the way off. Wrap and hold this knuckle up. Using a bungee cord, using a flathead, I'm going to remove this flap, push this coolant line back. I'm going to use some channel locks to bend this piece of the fender back to clear this bolt. 19 millimeter socket and a 19 millimeter wrench, and brake tension on this bolt. To remove the strut, we're going to use a 16 millimeter socket on these top bolts, a 19 millimeter socket. Now we're going to install our new coilover in the opposite order. To install your new passenger side upper control arm, don't forget your washer. I'm going to take the bolt like so, feed it up through, and on this side we'll reinstall the washer and the nut. We're going to attach the upper control arm back to the knuckle. The torque specs will be as follows: 47 foot-pounds, 85 foot-pounds, 81 foot-pounds, and 61 foot-pounds. Now I'll get the tire back on and move to the other side. And don't forget to tighten your lug nuts. Well, thanks for sticking with me, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. After you've completed this job, you're going to want to take your truck immediately to somewhere that can align your vehicle. You want to realign your vehicle anytime you mess with any suspension geometry, which I just did in a major way. So we're going to go there, and then we'll be ready to ride.